Guys, did you know that 75% of overall good health comes down to just one thing? And that's nutrition. Now, it doesn't matter how much you exercise, what pills or potions you take, what supplements you take, or what your mindset is. It just doesn't matter because you can't outdo a bad diet. Now, here's the crazy thing. This is what blows my mind is most people don't really understand that what they're eating totally affects their energy levels, their strength levels, their longevity, their vitality, and their overall health. They don't have any clue, it seems. As you know, it's no secret. Most modern diets these days are just loaded with processed food, refined sugars, fats, chemicals, all kinds of things that your body just has no idea what to do with. And it ends up storing it and putting it in the wrong places and using it in the wrong way. So I've said it before, I'll say it again, you just can't outperform a bad diet. Now, nutrition is all about the nutrients your body needs to build muscle tissue, build bones, build strength, and give you energy to perform all of that, your everyday tasks. And if you're putting in the wrong fuel, you are going to get the wrong results every time. You can trick your body sometimes by giving it certain things, and your body will function not because of the food, but despite the food. It wants to keep you alive and well. Like, think of it this way. Would you put crappy fuel in a Lamborghini? Of course not. Not a chance. So why would you put low quality, low value foods into your body and expect your body to run at peak performance? It just doesn't do it that way. So guys, if you want to feel better, look better, be stronger, healthier, have energy through the roof, and live a long, happy, healthy life, there's some simple tricks I want to share with you right now. And you can start working on these today and experience the results quickly. So guys, this is the best part. Listen, you have to listen seriously. You absolutely have the power to change your life. You have the power to make yourself healthier and stronger than you've ever been. And it all starts with what you're putting on your plate, what you're putting in your mouth. That is where it all starts. So let's talk about these points right now. Okay, first and foremost, prioritize whole foods, whole plant-based food. That is the magic. That's where it happens. That's what you want to be consuming every day. That's the most important thing. Those are foods that are nutrient dense, not calorie dense. And they're going to maximize all your macros, your carbs, your proteins, your fats, and all the nutrients that you could ever need to build that box, that house, that strength of that body that you want. And that's what you want to be looking for. Raw, cooked, either way, focus a lot more on the raw because you keep them in their whole state when you're eating these raw foods. Step 2, ditch the junk food. Ditch the processed foods. I know it's hard. I know it's not going to be easy, but it's vital. Seriously. When you're eating processed food, man-made foods that are not whole foods, things you don't even recognize, you see the label in the back and it's just loaded with big words that you have no comprehension of what they are, don't put those into your body. You don't understand what they are. Your body doesn't understand what they are. You need to give your body the clean food, as I just mentioned in step 1. So cut out oils, cut out sugars, processed refined foods. Cut them out or minimize them as much as you possibly can. Your body will start to learn to change its taste buds and adaptation to this new food that's coming in. Things you thought were boring in the past will become incredible and you'll be craving them. A kale smoothie? Like, what the hell's that? Yeah, you're going to be like, I'm dying for my morning kale smoothie. These type of things will happen and your body will love you for it. Step 3, hydrate like a pro. Consume as much water through food and water throughout the day. This is key. Your body is made up mostly of water. You will need to replenish that water on a regular basis. Stay hydrated. Step 4, mix it up. Diversity is key. You need to be able to change things up so that you're eating a whole range of different types of foods all the time. Plant-based foods, that's what I'm talking about. Step 5, make it sustainable. Think of this as a long-term plan. This is not a fad diet. Being on a whole food plant-based diet, being on a vegan diet is not a short-term thing. This is something you want to do to change your life forever. It's something you do gradually and you just continue to improve. And the magic key, the thing that's going to hold this all together, consistency. Stick with it. Stay consistent, prep the meals, eat right, and you're going to see incredible changes happen in no time at all. And this will also apply to the future you, who's going to thank you seriously for all the work you put in early. As I said before, guys, the power to change your body, change your life is completely in your hands. Every bite you take is either going to benefit you or not. Don't follow the rest of the people out there who are not eating the right diet, who are literally digging their grave with their teeth. I don't want that for you. I want you to feel healthy, strong, vibrant, and incredible. So the power's in your hands. You can make it happen. Just make small changes every single day. Stay consistent, and you are going to reap the benefits of a healthy, long, incredible life.
So if you're ready to take the next step and you want to get stronger, fitter, healthier, and have more energy than you've ever thought possible, I work with men one-on-one, guys who are successful, over 40, who want to change their lives for the better. So click the link below to set up a call. Talk to you soon.